अल्टीमेट फ्यूजन। लैक्मे फैशन वीक 2025 में देखिए सभी स्टार्स का स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट। जानवी कपूर ने भी अपने स्टाइल का मैजिक दिखाया राहुल मिश्रा की कलेक्शन में।
All I want to say is thank you very much, Partho Dada, because 10 years, 1 decade, no flight by night kind of a person, only a person like you who's been supporting the fashion fraternity. And also, I've known Rahul for more than 10 years and Divya as well. So I have seen the progress and, the fact that today they can do Indian couture, they can do breadth, they can do diffusion, and now with this new brand, a few, I think that's setting the pace for the next Rahul Mishra brand. So thank you very much for showing this. I'm sure that's like a Parisian band, something that you show there in Paris. So we're very happy that international comes to India, and India, we're so proud you're taking the Indian flag there. But मैं हर समय बोलता हूँ कि सोने पे सुहागा सिर्फ जानवी के उससे होता है। जब वो वॉक करके, जब मानते हो कि नहीं, जब वो गाड़ी से उतरी तो दादा बोल रहे थे ई विटारा मारुति नेक्सा, बट लोग बोल रहे थे जानवी जानवी जानवी. So we are going to say both were the showstoppers of the show, but that doesn't mean that Divya and Rahul are not the showstoppers. It was their creativity which was the showstopper. So thank you once again, Janvi. The entry was phenomenal, Dada. What you said, that entry, it was a young Marilyn Monroe walking with such confidence. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू राहुल सर को बोलना चाहती हूँ. राहुल एंड दिव्या, आई थिंक उन्होंने सिर्फ जो मेरे लिए ही नहीं बल्कि आई थिंक व्हाट दे हैव डन फॉर इंडियन फैशन हैज बीन सच अ बिग डील. एंड टुडे स्पेशली आज के शो में जिस तरह से उन्होंने मॉडर्न सिलुएट्स के साथ इतने सारे इंडियन टेक्सटाइल्स को मिक्स किए, आई थिंक इट्स सो इनोवेटिव, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड आई एम सो ऑनर्ड कि उन्होंने मुझे चुना इस रैंप वॉक के लिए. आई थिंक दिस इज आवर थर्ड शो टुगेदर. And I always feel my most confident when I walk for y'all. And I think that's because वो इतने प्यार से मुझे सजाते हैं, confidence देते हैं, और उतने ही प्यार से उनकी सारी टीम के साथ भी रहते हैं. And I think that's so inspiring to watch. And so I'm so happy to associate with you, and I hope it happens again and again. And of course, you saw in your wonderful car, Lakme Fashion Week and FTCI.
Thank you.
And you, who's been my biggest cheerleader for most of my shows, almost all of my shows. So thank you so much, and thank you to all of y'all. I think आपकी media hype के बिना मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाती. असली confidence boost तो आप लोगों ने दिया है. So thank you so much. पता नहीं क्यों मैं acceptance speech दे रही हूँ, लंबा हो गया, but thank you.
टीना आहूजा, व्योम यादव और साची बिंद्रा हुए पर्ल एकेडमी के स्पेशल गेस्ट. वहीं लैक्मे फैशन वीक में कीर्ति सुरेश, सोनम कपूर ने अपने फैशन से सबको चकाचक कर दिया. और रैंप पर कल्कि ने अमाल्फी एस्केप के लिए धूम मचाया.
photo shoot for Max in Cape Town recently, and I was in the lift of the hotel, and the lady who was in the lift with me happened to be Italian, and she was from Sicily, and she looked at my dress and she lit up because she said, "I know all these places that are on your dress." So that was a real sign for me that this is a beautiful collection about, bringing people from all parts of the world together.
Connect fashion with the festivals. I think it's very important for our culture. Every I feel like every week there's a festival. Because now that I have a daughter going to school, I'm like every week there's a holiday. Because we have so many festivals. But they love it, and I know my daughter loves to dress up for all the festivals, and I think it's very important for our traditions to have all these different dress up sessions. I enjoyed the ramp walk today because it was a little bit unusual. We had these steps and all. So थोड़ा rehearsal किया हमने क्योंकि ये usual नहीं है. Or it was fun, and I think it's always nice to interact with the audience when you're on the stage. So yeah, we did that. Fashion for me is an extension of personality. So people should be free to express who they are through their fashion. Style, according to me, is when you make something look easy. Even though it might be very complicated, you make it look easy. Like how Rajnikant flicks a cigarette in his mouth. It looks very easy, but it's really hard. Happy to be celebrating their 25th year. I feel like I'm almost their child, and it's also great because it's a special year because Max is doing their first ramp walk for the Lakme Fashion Week.
फैशन का अल्टीमेट एक्स्ट्रावेगेंसा लैक्मे फैशन वीक 2025 में। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।